Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the what I went to the shop to get. I went to the shop to get a flaxseed and I end up coming home with something different. So sit back, relax and see what I'm going to. This is the product I went to the shop and I had instead of the flaxseed, and is something that I'm not sure about it, so let's do it together. The measurements I use 3 cups of water of that, and I use a half cup of the linseed and boil them together. And I just stir them and just boiling them together. So I'll boil it for 30 minutes now, and let's see the consistency. Oof, I think it's so thick for locks, but when I was I like the linseed, even though when I type in the flaxseed it still give me the linseed, and the benefit is wow. It's rich in vitamin E, which is great for skin and hair. The linseed, the golden brown, is rich in vitamin E. It's great for skin and hair, and it promotes a healthy hair and healthy scalp by reducing free radical damage. It helps to improve circulation in the head, that's promoting hair growth and slowing down hair breakage. So can you see the benefit of the linseed? It's got the same benefit as the flaxseed. So if you go to your local shop and you can't find it, you can try the linseed. It's got the same benefit, got vitamin E in it. It gives you a healthy scalp and a healthy hair as well. It improves circulation in the hair, which promote a healthy scalp, and a healthy scalp leads to a healthy hair. So that is the benefit of the linseed as well. So I'm leaving it to cool down a bit, but as I'm waiting, I'm thinking about what else can I do to reduce that thickness. So I've thought about adding a bit of water to it without adding the linseed to it. The linseed, the golden one, the reason why I keep on showing the picture is it looks the same. The seed in it, look at it, it looks the same, and the moment you see it, you really want to pick it. So when you go and you find the linseed, don't say that you didn't find what you want. Look at it, it's so thick. As it's cooling down, I've lowered it a bit. It's 30 minutes though, but because I give it a very quick heat, I wasn't sure of it, so I've lowered it. So I've added 1 cup of water to it without any linseed, because without that cup, yeah, so don't add any linseed to it. Just use 1 cup of water, and as you go, when it thickens, you just add another cup of water to it. So I end up using this. I've thrown this one away, it didn't help, So and this one didn't help as well either. So I used this cleaning towel, and I bought it from one of the local shops. I used the Asda. Yeah, I bought it from Asda, and I used the pink one in it. It's meant, it's got so many colors. The bathroom one, that's what I use. And trust me, I've got all my gel out. All the gel is out. That's what I went in for, and I've got it. Look at that. So don't forget, if it's your first time on my channel, try and check, because any product I give you the benefits of it, why I use it, and I don't just go and use it because everybody is using it. Now let me excuse all the, what I did. I didn't want to throw anything away, so after squeezing the first one out, I added another water, 2 cups of water to the leftover, the one that has been boiled. And look at the gel I got from it as well, because I thought I deserve more gel than that. And you can use anything to squeeze it, my dear. It was hot, and the linseed is what I'm getting now. So I am happy, and I think I'm adding the remaining water to it now as well. Nothing on it. I didn't add anything. If I'm going to add any oil on it, it's going to be the oils I like that promote hair as well. So let me squeeze all the remaining one gel out. The water that is coming from there is, when I did the first one, I washed the towel. I washed that, then I washed it. So the water was coming from that. It's not the gel. The gel is really fine. So this is the product. So let's go ahead and do that. So what I did was I added a bit of almond oil to the gel. The essential fatty acid in almond oil help not to dry the hair, but it moisturizes your hair. And because I'm using the gel for it, I needed oil that will not make the hair more dry and get built up. That's why I use almond oil. It makes every strand of the hair more shinier and healthy as well, as you can see. So I use the almond oil, drops of it in the gel, then I just palm roll the hair with them. And if you see what I've been using, I use a leave-in conditioner from Cream of Nature. It's also moisturize the hair as well. So that's it. So I don't want the hair to be so dry, and put the gel in it and gives you the build up. So anytime I'm palm rolling any hair, I put a leave-in conditioner, which is really water based. I've been using that leave-in conditioner for really years, because I don't use a thick conditioner. We'll talk about that one later, because I've been doing my daughter's hair and other locks, and that is what I find very helpful to the hair, because you don't want to see the hair more crunchy. And because it's the first time of trying the Linseed, I want to see the end result, so I couldn't wait to do another video to see the end results of it. That's why I did them all together, so that you can see. I don't like to come back to it. I was so nervous, and I was so in a rush to see what is happening. So if you need a tutorial on step by step, or tutorial on how to do palm rolling, let me see, because I'm rushing on this one. I'm speeding this one up because that wasn't the training, or that wasn't the something I wanted to talk about today. Today the main focus was linseed versus flaxseed, and I couldn't find the flaxseed, so I can't compare both. So what are your thoughts about the linseed? And that was what I did this video for. So it's not about palm rolling, it's not about the palm rolling. So I'll be doing a video about the palm roll, so you can also check. And if you put a lot like what I'm doing, some of them I'm just putting on a lot to see the difference, how the difference will look like. And when you leave that white bit there, it will give you a white bit. So like the white bit that I've left there, I know it's going to disturb me, but I wanted to really do a good trial to see how things are going to be. So it's all dry now, and look at that. So far so good. I think I love it. It's giving me a really, look at that, it's giving me, look, and it's giving me a shiny looks, just that it needs to be a bit watery, but so far so good. The linseed, I love it. And trust me, I should have done a picture of after she had it for a couple of days, and you will see all the white bit that I was a bit worried about. You can't see it anymore in it. So please subscribe to my channel and like the support you always give to me. Continue to support me and continue to subscribe to my channel. All right, thank you, bye.